Looking for the best portable workbenches in 2025? In this video, we'll review the top-rated options that combine durability, versatility, and ease of use for all your DIY and professional projects. Stay tuned to find the perfect portable workbench to boost your productivity. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pegasus. The Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse stands out as one of the best portable workbenches of 2025, combining versatility, durability, and portability in one compact design. This workbench is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering a generous 31-inch by 25-inch surface area and a working height of 32-inch for a variety of tasks like woodworking, painting, and repairs. With its impressive load capacities, 300 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, it can handle everything from heavy equipment to delicate projects. Designed with convenience in mind, this top portable workbench for 2025 features a lightweight yet sturdy fold-and-go design for easy storage and transport. Its 2-in-1 functionality lets you seamlessly switch between a workbench and sawhorse, adapting to projects of any size. For added flexibility, you can expand your workspace by connecting additional works tables, all at the same height for smooth attachment. Made from durable ABS plastic and steel fittings, this best folding workbench of 2025 is built to last but remains lightweight at only 30 pounds. The integrated clamping system, including 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, ensures your materials stay secure, even for irregular shapes. Upgrade your workflow with the Pegasus, the ultimate portable workbench solution. Number 2. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table earns its place among the best portable workbenches of 2025, combining versatility, strength, and user-friendly features. With its 2-in-1 design, this workbench effortlessly transitions between a sturdy sawhorse and a reliable work table, making it the ideal portable workbench for DIY projects in garages, gardens, or job sites. Built for heavy-duty tasks, the Pony Work Table boasts an impressive load capacity, 500 pounds as a workbench and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, thanks to its durable aluminum leg frame. The work table is height adjustable, offering 6 different levels, 30-inch to 35, to ensure comfort and precision for projects at any height. Its spacious 31-inch by 25-inch surface, combined with 4 clamps, for bench dogs, and 2 safety straps, makes securing materials simple, even for complex or irregular shapes. The collapsible design ensures the heavy-duty portable workbench folds flat for easy storage and transportation, allowing you to move it effortlessly between job sites. Whether you're tackling woodworking, painting, or repairs, the Pony Portable Folding Work Table delivers durability and functionality in a compact design, making it an essential addition to any workshop in 2025. Stay tuned to learn why this workbench is a must-have for your projects. Number 3. Keeter Folding Work Table. The Keeter Folding Work Table is a top contender among the best portable workbenches of 2025, offering unmatched convenience, durability, and versatility. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and hobbyists, this workbench creates an instant workspace in just 30 seconds with no assembly required, making it an excellent choice for those in need of an affordable portable workbench for 2025. Despite its compact and lightweight design, this workbench boasts a robust construction, supporting up to 1,000 pounds. Its large work surface comes equipped with 12-inch clamps that can be installed horizontally or vertically, providing the stability and flexibility needed for woodworking, miter saw setups, and heavy-duty tasks. The compact workbench for small spaces is made from durable, weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin reinforced with aluminum legs, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of any environment without rusting, peeling, or denting. Its quick folding system allows for effortless storage and transport, making it perfect for job sites, garages, or home workshops. With over 75 years of innovation behind its design, the Keeter folding work table combines functionality, durability, and portability, making it an essential tool for any workspace in 2025. Watch now to see how this versatile workbench can elevate your projects. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench. The Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench Workmate is a timeless classic, earning its spot among the best portable workbenches of 2025. Designed for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects, this workbench combines rugged durability with unmatched versatility. Its heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo stock worktop provide exceptional stability, supporting up to 550 pounds for a wide range of tasks. As the best workbench for woodworking, the Workmate features adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs, making it easy to secure irregularly shaped objects. Whether you're sanding, sawing, or assembling, the integrated clamping system ensures your materials stay firmly in place, making it one of the most reliable portable workbenches with clamps on the market. Convenience is key with the Workmate. It folds open and closed in seconds, allowing for effortless setup and compact storage. The large working surface even converts into a vise with an extra block, giving you more ways to tackle your projects efficiently. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench offers the perfect combination of strength, portability, and functionality to handle any challenge. Watch now to see why it's a must-have addition to your workspace in 2025. Number 5. Performance Tool W54025. The Performance Tool W54025 Portable Multipurpose Workbench and Vise is a standout choice among the best portable workbenches of 2025, delivering versatility and portability in one compact design. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, this lightweight workbench for professionals is built to handle various tasks with ease. Its folding design ensures compact storage and easy mobility, making it perfect for transporting between job sites or home projects. With a 200-pound safe working load, this workbench is great for light to medium-duty tasks. The printed tabletop, featuring a grid, ruler, and protractor, adds precision and convenience for measurements and project planning. The innovative one-handed clamp system allows for independent jaw adjustment, while the sturdy, warp-resistant jaws can be angled to accommodate irregularly shaped materials, ensuring your projects are secure and efficient. Praised in versatile portable workbench reviews, this multipurpose workbench combines practicality with user-friendly features, making it a reliable companion for woodworking, repairs, and more. Its durable yet lightweight construction ensures easy handling without sacrificing stability. If you're searching for a portable workbench that offers functionality, compact storage, and precision for a variety of tasks, the Performance Tool W54025 is a must-have. Watch now to see why this workbench is a top pick for 2025. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.